Have you ever wondered if there's a bank that doesn't charge you to keep your money? A bank that doesn't nickel and dime you for every transaction? Well, today, we're diving into Tangerine, a Canadian online bank that claims to be fee-free. But is it really as good as it seems? Let's find out. Tangerine, formerly known as ING Direct, has been around for quite a while. It's one of the pioneers of online banking in Canada. They've built a reputation for offering simple, no-frills banking products. But does that mean they're completely fee-free? The main event, Tangerine's fee structure. Checking accounts. Let's start with the most common type of account, the checking account. Tangerine offers a few different options, but the most popular one is the Tangerine Everyday Checking Account. This account is indeed fee-free. You won't be charged for monthly maintenance fees, transaction fees, or even overdraft fees. Savings accounts. Now, let's talk about savings accounts. Tangerine savings accounts are also fee-free. You won't pay any monthly fees or transaction fees. However, it's worth noting that interest rates can fluctuate, so it's always a good idea to shop around for the best rates. Tangerine Investment Funds. Tangerine also offers investment funds. These funds are fee-free, meaning there are no transaction fees or management fees. However, it's important to understand that investment funds are subject to market fluctuations, and you could lose money. Tangerine Mortgage. If you're looking for a mortgage, Tangerine offers a few different options. While they don't charge any upfront fees, such as application fees or appraisal fees, it's important to compare their rates and terms with other lenders. Tangerine Credit Card. Tangerine also has a credit card. While they don't charge any annual fees or transaction fees, it's important to be aware of the interest rate and any other potential fees associated with the card. Exceptions to the rule. While Tangerine is generally fee-free, there are a few exceptions to the rule. For example, if you use a Tangerine ATM outside of the Interag network, you may be charged a fee. Additionally, if you choose to upgrade your account to a premium version, you may be charged a monthly fee. Is Tangerine right for you? So, is Tangerine truly fee-free? For the most part, yes. However, it's important to carefully read the terms and conditions of each product to ensure that you understand any potential fees. Tangerine is a great option for people who are looking for simple, no-frills banking. However, if you need more complex features or personalized service, you may want to consider a traditional bank. Tangerine has built a reputation for offering fee-free banking products. While there are a few exceptions to the rule, Tangerine is a great option for people who are looking to save money on their banking fees. If you're considering switching to Tangerine, be sure to do your research and compare their products to other banks. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about Tangerine or online banking in general, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and tricks. Until next time.